just a couple of other quick points about the charger inverter that is going to be installed, the Xantrex Freedom XC 1000. So right now it's kind of a pain in the ass, I'll be totally honest with you. And the reason it's a pain in the ass is because when I want to use, when I want to convert my solar, so my DC, and convert to AC, I have to kind of use this big clunky inverter. And a lot of us have them, right? If you don't have a charger inverter, you've got some sort of big box that converts the DC power to AC power. So this is, I'm not even sure this was installed in the van when I bought it, but you can see I've got this super high-tech extension cord. So if I want to run something, if I want to charge my laptop right now, I've got to throw that extension cord in the back seat. Then I've got to get into my van. I've got to turn on the remote switch for the inverter and plug my laptop in. So this charger inverter from Xantrex is going to completely bypass all of that. We're going to run it through the panel that I just showed you. So I'll just be able to plug my laptop in and I won't have any problems. A couple of final points on the charger inverter. You know, I know Xantrex is a premium product, and for me to know that this component that's really hard to access, that I'm never going to see, is as high quality as possible is important. I want it to be, I'm not going to say fire and forget, because that's not what you want, right? I want it to be something that I install and I never have to worry about again. I know that a lot of RV, a lot of trailers come with really low cost, low quality components, and they do that because it's a component that you typically are not seeing, and it's something that you're not asking about. So this was, to me, it's the time to upgrade after 27 years. Again, thanks to the engineers at Westfalia for doing such an amazing job of creating a component that's lasted so long, but it's definitely time to upgrade. Okay, so I want to talk a little bit about the batteries, the before and the after. So I think one of the trends that we've certainly noticed in the RV industry, marine industry, is the movement from an AGM to a, or some kind of old school battery, I'll just say it, to a lithium ion battery. So this is something that it has tremendous benefits for a whole bunch of different reasons. And I know the cost can be prohibitive, right? Moving from AGMs that are cheap and cheerful. They're easy to find. You can kind of find them anywhere you want, and you know, they do the trick. But there are certainly some things about AGMs that a lot of people have noted, and is prompting them to move on to something else.